Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder of a growing concept called Torpedopot, where all you do is put your plants in a planter and it grows your food for you. And so we put in these plants when they were little seedlings into this plantler, and they've taken off and grown. We don't never water, we do not feed. We only supplement the plant's environment, and it grows spectacular food like you've never seen before. Let me tell you something. I've never, ever seen lettuce grow so healthy outside with no human intervention at all. You never water this planter, and you never feed this planter. This planter's been running now for over 3 years. And all it's done do is to grow my food. Look at this food. Isn't it amazing? Have you ever seen anything so beautiful? Dude, this is a torpedo pot. This is a wonder of the world, man. You will never, ever have problems with food again in your life. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? That is absolutely amazing. I love that, man. Dude, that's amazing. That's life. That's what life is, what life does, man. It's beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? Life is amazing, man. It really is amazing. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So is Torpedo Pot. It grows all of these things for you. So remember those times when your plants used to die? Well, we don't have that at Torpedo Pot. We grow food, and it does very, very well. So, isn't that stunning? Now, all I do is come outside and I grab my food and I eat it. I don't have the problems you have, and I have the best food in the world, man. Dude, who would not want to eat this, dude? Seriously? Look at what you're eating with fertilizers and ask yourself, hold it. You mean all I have to do is get this torpedo pot, throw my seeds in, throw my plants in, and it'll grow my food? Yes, we supplement with an organic supplement. Once, in this case, once every 2 weeks to once every week, and it grows by itself. And it gets my food fresh and clean and wholesome and healthy. And I get the full nutrition. I don't know what you guys get, but I can eat any part of this plant. If I didn't want to eat the full leaves, I just grab one of these small leaves here, pop it off, and eat it. It's fresh, man. Absolutely fresh. Right now. Wow. That's pretty cool, man. That's very cool. Darrell Addison, torpedopot.com, where we make self-growing planters that grows your food for you with no human intervention. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.